Today we are going to solve an angle-side angle triangle. First we begin by drawing the triangle and labeling the given sides. We are given that B is equal to 85 degrees, C is equal to 60 degrees, and A is equal to 12 inches. Since we know that all angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees, we're going to subtract angles B and C from 180 to solve for angle A, which is equal to 35 degrees. Now we will solve for side B. We're going to use the law of sines to solve for side B. So we use A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. And then you'll fill in the information. So A is equal to 12 inches over the sine of 35 degrees, which is equal to B over the sine of 85 degrees. To solve for B, we'll move the sine of 85 over, so we get B is equal to 12 times the sine of 85 divided by the sine of 35 degrees. We'll enter this in on our calculators. Divided by the sine of 35 degrees equals to 20.8. So we know 20.8. Now we will solve for the final side C. And again, we will use the law of sines to solve for sine C. So we know that we're going to use the given information for A because B is just an estimate. So A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. So 12 over 35 degrees, the sine of 35, is equal to C over the sine of 60 degrees. Again, we'll move the sine of 60 degrees over, so we have C is equal to 12 times the sine of 60 degrees divided by the sine of 35 degrees. And again, we'll enter this into our calculator. 12 times the sine of 60 degrees divided by the sine of 35 degrees, which is equal to 18.1. And that solves our angle-side angle triangle.